What's up guys? Today's we have brought you best 5 Sous Vide cooker, from budget friendly, superior quality, user feedback and top ratings on Amazon. We would like to assist you with information to help you choose your product, so let's begin.
Everie Sous Vide container, your must-have accessories for perfect sous vide recipes. It's 12 quart for most sizes of meats in a family and with a collapsible hinged lid. The lid is with patented collapsible hinge, so it's very convenient for you to refill water for those long-time cooking recipes, or to take in and out ingredients for those recipes which require different ingredients, producing the best taste by different cooking time. A full range of different lids to match different brands and models of sous vide cookers are available. Some are exclusively compatible with Anova, some are exclusively compatible with Breville Joule, and some are designed to fit all the sous vide cookers. The presentation video is to introduce the container and the lid. Please check what is included in each listing to see if extra accessories are included. Everie gadgets, design driven.
Inkbird Sous Vide Precision Cooker, Wi-Fi Remote Control. The Wi-Fi Sous Vide cooker only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but once connected with the Sous Vide machine with your router via app Inkbird Pro, it could be checked and controlled anywhere. Your powerful yet quiet cooker. This Sous Vide Precision Cooker keeps a homogeneous temperature for up to 20 liters of water, even at full 1000 watts output. Cook like a chef at home. Achieves restaurant-quality meals with ease by preserving juices, moisture and flavors, thanks to precise temperature control. Retains all of the health and nutrition benefits that are difficult to achieve from traditional cooking. Included easy-to-follow Sous Vide cooking recipe book recommended by top chefs. Reliable cooking partner. Additional calibration function is added to Inkbird Precise Cooker, which can keep a more accurate temperature at any time. Calibration range, -10F protection and temperature alarm. This thermal cooker will stop working and alarm you when the water level is lower than the minimum. Novel way of cooking. Low temperatures Sous Vide cooking keeps the raw materials fresh, juicy and healthy. If like smoky, could add some barbecue on this basis. A new delicacy will be born, a double feeling. What you get. A Wi-Fi Sous Vide cooker, 12 months free warranty. Free recipes on the app.
The Mixhood Sous Vide has highly effective 1000 watts motor. The water-filled part is made of SUS 304 food-grade stainless steel. Numbers on the simple control panel is clear and easy to read. Using the clip can be easily attached to the edge of the pot. This Mixhood Sous Vide also has more powerful functions. 360-degree heating cycle remains the fresh taste of the food. IPX7 waterproof certified. No risk of steam or water entering to the internal parts. Come with all you need accessories. Besides, it is simple to use. Step 1. Put your food in a sous vide vacuum bag and set it with the clips. Pump the air out by using a hand pump. Step 2. Click it to the side of the pot and set the appropriate cook time and temperature. Step 3. After water temperature reaches a fixed temperature, then drop the bag into the water. Step 4. Once food is ready to eat, take it out of the bag, finish your food and then enjoy the amazing taste. Thank you for watching this video. Order your Mixhood Sous Vide today.
Anova Precision Cooker Nano. A compact and affordable sous vide immersion circulator. Ideal for cooking for 2 people. Use the Anova Precision Cooker Nano with any pot. With Bluetooth connectivity, you're able to control and monitor your cook from your phone via the Anova app. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano is easy to use. Place your food in a sealable bag. Set your Anova Precision Cooker Nano to the desired time and temperature using the manual controls or the Anova app. Place your sealed food into the pot. Anova will let you know when your food is cooked to perfection. When cooking protein, finish with a quick sear for the desired texture. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano is built to last, with a splash-proof body. Rinse the bottom of the cooker under warm water to clean. Cook like a pro from your own kitchen with the Anova Precision Cooker Nano. Perfect results every time. Anova Precision Cooker, the redesigned model of our best-selling signature Sous Vide immersion circulator. Powerful enough to cook a meal for the whole family. Cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity and the Anova app. The removable adjustable clamp will fit any cooking pot or container. The Anova Precision Cooker is easy to use. Place your food in a sealable bag. Set your Anova Precision Cooker to the desired time and temperature using the manual controls or the Anova app. Place your sealed food into the pot. Anova will let you know when your food has reached edge-to-edge perfection. When cooking protein, finish with a quick sear for the desired texture. The Anova Precision Cooker is built to last, with a splash-proof body. The removable clamp and metal skirt are dishwasher safe. Cook like a pro from your own kitchen with the Anova Precision Cooker. Perfect results every time.